Hello everyone, welcome to my channel edusphere. In this video, I would like to discuss about 20 most important general knowledge question about fundamental rights and duties. So let's start the first question. Which of the following is not a fundamental rights in India? That is option A is your correct option, right to property. Question number 2. The right to education belongs to which of the following categories? That is your option B is your correct option, fundamental rights. Question number 3. Which articles of the Indian Constitution deals with right to equality? That is your option A is your correct option, Article 14 to 18. Question number 4. Right to education is a fundamental rights under the Articles 21A. So option B is your correct option here. Question number 5. Under Article 368, the Parliament has no power to repeal the fundamental rights because they are integral part of basic structure of the Constitution. So option A is your correct option here. Question number 6. Equal opportunity in matters of public appointment is guaranteed under Articles 16. So option C is your correct option here. Question number 7. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights? That is your option B is your correct option, part 3. Question number 8. Which articles of the Indian Constitution provides for equality before the law and equal protection of law? That is your option B is your correct option, Article 14. Question number 9. The right to the constitutional remedies is guaranteed under the Article 32. Also option B is your correct option here. Question number 10. Which article abolish untouchability in India? That is option A is your correct option, Article 17. Question number 11. Which articles of Indian Constitution has empowered the Parliament to regulate the citizenship matter? That is your option D is your correct option, Article 11. Question number 12. How many fundamental rights are there in India? There are 6 fundamental rights are there in India. Question number 13. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Constitution of India on the basis of the recommendation of option B is the correct option, Swan Singh Committee. Question number 14. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? That is your option B is your correct option. 11 fundamental duties are there. Question number 15. The fundamental duties are mentioned in, that is your option E is your correct option, part 4A. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a features of Indian Constitution? That is your option D is your correct option, dual citizenship. Question number 17. Indian Constitution took the concept of single citizenship from option B is your correct option, UK. Question number 18. Indian citizenship can be acquired through which of the following? It is all of the above, so option D is your correct option. Question number 19. What was the duration in the making of Indian Constitution? It is your option C is your correct option, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Question number 20. Indian Constitution is option A, it is federal system.